নমস্কার, আজকের এপিসোড আবার আপনাদের জন্য কানির এপিসোড। আপনারা কানি লাস্ট টাইম প্রচণ্ড অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েট করেছেন এবং তার জন্য আমি অনেক উৎসাহ পেয়েছি এবং আজকের যে কানিগুলো দেখাবো সেগুলোর মধ্যে কিন্তু একটা টুইস্ট থাকবে, একটু নতুনত্ব মিক্স অ্যান্ড ম্যাচ করেছি, একটু ফিউশন এনেছি কানিগুলোর মধ্যে। এবং কানি কিন্তু নেক্সট ফিউ মান্থস আমি আর দেখাবো না, কারণ আমি প্রচুর সময় দিয়ে এই লটটা তৈরি করেছি। সুতরাং দেখতে থাকুন, যারা আগের এপিসোডসগুলো মিস করে গেছেন তাদের জন্য এটা একটা অপরচুনিটি। এপিসোড নাম্বার 32, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1। Now what is Kani? Kani is a weave of Kashmir. It's an art of Kashmir and I've woven that in the 6 yards. So এটা একটা very unique, years and years ধরে একটা heritage weave which is an art of Kashmir of course and original from Kashmir, and this is the beautiful weave that is I've done it in Chanderi to give it a lesser range. So real kanis which are hand wovens and all starts from 16,000, which I'll show in this episode also, and it goes up to lakhs because these are absolutely hand woven and very very rare. So this is another version of Kani which I've done it in Chanderi to give it a much cheaper range, but at the same time it is also woven and very very comfortable, ideal for not only winters but you can wear in summer also, where obviously nowadays wherever you go there is air condition, so that would be very nice. I mean you can stand out because this is totally woven, fully woven with zari in between also. This is the pallu, 7,990 rupees in pista green with paisley weave in the lower border. The upper border will have shorter paisley, smaller paisleys, and the lower border will have broader paisleys. So this is the sari, beautiful pista with magenta weave, multicolor weave, but more or less it is more of purplish magenta in the border. Just see the blouse piece, this will be the blouse piece, very soft and woven cotton chanderis. There is silk blended in this chanderi, so it is also very lightweight, but at the same time it's woven, all over woven. Just see the color. This combination is navy blue with rust, orangish rust paisley border with all over jal weave, 7,990 rupees only, a very very economical range in Kani woven by my weavers. See, this is the weave. So the designs you will find is a bit unique because these are all woven in under my instructions. So this is the full sari. So next few months I won't be showing much Kani. So I've given a lot of effort for this episode to give it a different look. This is the blouse piece for this. 7,990 rupees, all over zari woven blouse piece. This is the sari. Again in mustard. So those who are waiting for my Kani episode, so you can select from here, because these are all new designs, not the ones that were shown earlier. A lovely mustard with magenta, onion magenta weaving in the border. It's not pinkish magenta, it's more or less purplish magenta, and these are dual tone fabrics, dual tone resham thread and zari that has been used, so you can't tell the exact color, but the body color is mustard with jal weave. You know, you see these weaves in Kani shawls, the Kani dupattas, you know, they are lovely weaves. And see the back side, this is fully woven sari, but very well cut, so it will not be a problem. The whole sari will be like this with mustard dupatta, mustard blouse piece, I'm sorry. So this is the blouse piece, mustard color, again 7,990 rupees with this pallu. And those who like the product, please take the screenshot of the product along with the description that is mentioned. So once I get to know the screenshot, only then I will take the confirm booking, because sometimes I answer you at night, maybe the sheets and the papers are not there with me. So I can just understand the exact one which you are you want, and I can answer you promptly. See, this is in Pashmina. That was in Chanderi silk. This is in Pashmina. 9,500 rupees in Gangajal color. This color is a very unique shade. It's not off-white, it's not ash. It's a lovely in-between shade with multi-colored weaves, fully woven. Just check out the weave, very sober taste, soft colors. This is the pallu. Beautiful woven pallu in pink color, red pink combination with paisley. Just see the each weave. One paisley will have intricate weave. So many colors has been used and fully woven, but still it's very soft and at the same time very pretty and very unique. I'll show you the back part. It's fully woven. It's a fully woven sari. This is the look. The blouse piece which I'm giving with this Pashmina Kani is this. It's a big size blouse. So you can make long sleeves also. It's in pink with Meena weave. This is the blouse piece border also. You can make high neck, you can make as a crop top also. Anything will look nice as long as, but don't make sleeveless. Bigger sleeves will only look nice. Now I go to the modal silk Kani, which is starting from 15,900 rupees, pure handloom product, hand woven in pure modal silk, 15,900 rupees. I myself had worn one in my previous episode, so the blue one. So the black is the new one that I have created. I had worn myself the blue one. The black I am showing today, and I have shown you a reddish maroon also previously. So these are 15,900 rupees. No buta in between, only these kind of lovely scalloping border. Just see the weave, and lower part will have this kind of border, and very neat finish. This again is the back side. You can understand, you know, the shawls also we see, the Kani shawls. This is the pallu part, big pallu, lovely woven pallu. I just want to show you this finishing. What an awesome weave, handlooms by master weavers. Beautifully done, and it's so soft in modal silk. I'm so glad you've given good feedback in my previous episode. I love reading your comments. So if you like the products, please do leave a comment or message me. You can WhatsApp me. There are mail ID that's also going. And see the blouse piece. Fully woven blouse piece with this Kani, black Kani, 15,900 rupees. The product number and description is all going in the description part of the video. You just have to click it on. This is product number 5, 15,900 rupees. Product number 5. The same product in another color, product number 6, same range, Kani in, this is also a beige shade, light chocolate beige. Those who looking for very elegant classy color, this is also a very nice color, even for elderly people and of course for youngsters, because these are classy heritage saris, and you know it goes on for generation. These will never go out of fashion, and it will, you know, these are generation wise you can wear it. Pure modal silk, just see the combination, very sober taste, at the same time very rich look. 15,900 rupees. This is 15,900 rupees, all over plain Kani. This is the whole sari. Extremely soft, lightweight, and just see the blouse piece. Very beautifully woven blouse piece, similar to the black one what I showed, all over woven. You will get the blue also. The blue is also available. If you want to see the picture, you just WhatsApp me. I'll show you the picture of the previous episode, or you can also subscribe the channel In that case, you'll get all the notifications and you can also see the previous Kani episode. This is 16,900 because it has the woven border along with the Mina Buta. All over Buta, again this beautiful intricate woven border. Just see the border, it's so beautifully woven, and the color is purplish magenta. It's a dual tone color with mustard combination, a very rich combination. Upper part again will have a shorter border and the lower part will have a comparatively broader border. Small booties all over. Here is the pallu. Rich woven, hand woven sarees in pure modal silk. Here is the softness, and you can, I'm trying to drape the whole thing so that you can get up, how beautiful the fall is. Even I am wearing, so you can more or less understand. Just see, this is the blouse piece. What rich weaves, and I tell you, these is a must in every wardrobe. Because again, I am telling you, next few months I will not be doing any more Kani episode. Oh sorry, this is not 16,900, this is also 15,900 rupees, product number 7, 15,900 rupees. And all single piece, so just check out the whole video, watch the whole video, be assured which color you want and then you book. I always want you to be happy when you receive the sari. So take your time, see the whole episode, check out all the colors. If you want, you can repeat to see the video again and then select. See, this is also in royal blue. Beautiful shade of dark royal blue. Since it's again dual tone with reddish tone border, multicolored Meena border. This is again 15,900 rupees small buta with pallu. The pallu part is also very smart. All hand weaves, handloom sarees. Just see the booty. I'll show you closely the booty, how beautiful the weave is. One small booty, there are more than 16 color thread that has been used. Here is the whole saree, very soft and all over. I'll show you the back part also. This is the back part. So you can see the cutting, how well this has been cut. This is the whole saree, and here again the blouse piece. The whole saree will be like this along with the pallu. 15,900 rupees, the color is being mentioned, and of course you can see the color, a very rich color. All the sarees are rich, pure handloom wovens. Product number 9, 15,900 rupees. Product number 9, the same saree I had shown last time without the buta. So now I've done with the buta, and the color combination is changed slightly with this kind of design. These are all new borders that I have created, new designs, new weaves for this new year Kani episode. If you like it, please do share, subscribe so that you can get further notifications of all the videos, and just check out Sanskriti Kolkata's Facebook page also, Insta page. The Facebook page link and the Insta link is also going. So if you like the page, so you can see more products and more video, more albums, more colors that has been uploaded even for other products. You can just WhatsApp the number in the number, 2 numbers that is going, and please try to contact only one number for a particular, for one product, so that we don't get confused. So different phone if you contact now, we'll get confused, because one saree maybe the other lady would want it, but I'll be booking it for same person twice. So I don't want that. So try to book in the same phone number, one contact number for that particular product. 15,900 rupees, product number 9 in reddish maroon, deep red. These can be a, even for bridals you can just keep one, because these are lovely sarees from Kashmir. The weave is from Kashmir, woven not in Kashmir, but the concept is from Kashmir. This is again a black modal silk with a slightly bigger butta. See the border, the traditional shawl weave borders, you know. See the colors, the rich colors, absolutely stunning colors that has been used. This is the pallu. The rich pallu, the Kani border pallu is the main thing, and of course the fabric. It's so soft, but at the same time the weave is very, very intricate. And you know, this weave, since there are so many colors and threads used, if good weaver, if good कारीगर इसको weave नहीं करेंगे ना, तो ये softness, ये feel, ये मतलब ये नहीं आएगा, ये इतना सुंदर इसका जो फिनिशिंग है ना, ये नहीं आएगा। ये अच्छा कारीगर करेगा तो ही ये इतना अच्छा फिनिशिंग आएगा। तो सब टाइप का तो कारीगर होता है, लेकिन मास्टर वीवर लिमिटेड होता है। आजकल सब तो मास्टर वीवर के अंडर लोग काम करते हैं, बट आई मेक श्योर दैट these kind of weaves are woven particularly and only by the master weavers. So you get this kind of feel and the richness, the colors. I can use, you know, experiment with a lot of colors. This is product number 10, again 15,900 rupees Kani, product number 10. Product number 11, again Kani with a new combination, deep magenta, purplish magenta with mustard, corner boot. See, this kind of butta will come in the border, pallu part. Rich pallu. All the sarees are very, very unique. See the fall of the sarees. And this, you know, wine color magenta, it's, you know, very unique color. It's not magenta, it's not purple. It's a lovely unique shade, all English tone, and see the border combinations. Very difficult to, you know, select colors in these magenta group. But I think this has come out really well, because, you know, this Firoza blue and this jade green is standing out very well. This is the pallu. 15,900 rupees with big butta, Meena butta. Again, I will show you one butta so that you can understand how well the Meena butta has been done in this small booty, but there are so many colors that has been used. Whole sari comes like this. We do cash on delivery in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, only by courier. Internationally, we are shipping regularly. Cash on delivery charges applicable. We'll give all details once you message me. This is the blouse piece in mustard, all over weaving, 15,900 rupees. Product number 11. We are also selling embroidered masks, which I'll show you. I'll show you few of the masks also. Like with this, you can try these kind of embroidered masks, 250 rupees. Thread work mask, multicolored thread work masks, 250 rupees. White multicolored thread work mask, 250 rupees. Grey color thread work mask, ash color, 250 rupees. So matching, if you tell me send the pictures, I'll send you. Mustard yellow multicolored mask, 250 rupees. Red mask, 250. All these embroidered masks are 250 rupees. 250 rupees. These go with multicolored. So lot of sarees you can wear even with denims and skirts. 250 rupees. All these are thread work masks. 250 rupees, multicolored in white. Again another design in grey, ash color. So just a glimpse of what type of mask we are selling. Plus we have the 90 rupees starting mask in cotton also. Ikkat and printed batik. Lots of there. Lots of mask, azrak. All 90 rupees to 100 rupees the cotton masks. This is again in royal blue. Deep royal blue with big butta. Slightly bigger butta than the previous one I showed. The same butta with intricate woven border. This is the pallu. 15,900 rupees, product number 12, 15,900, and this will have a lovely woven, rich red Kani blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The whole sari after wearing, and you know, there is, again let me tell you, there is a lot of fabric in this material. So you can please make long sleeves. Now I am going to all over Kani weave. 16,900 rupees. This is the maximum range. Above that I don't sell this. 16,000. See the softness, so soft, so soft. At the same time it's fully woven. Fully woven, but don't think these will be a problem. These are fully thread work, but very well cut and very well, you know, all set threads. At least I have more than 4 to 5 Kanis, and all you know, plain weaves with all over weaves also. I love Kanis, but no problem at all when I even wear bangles and all. This is a beautiful paisley design jal weave, 16,900. Just see the weave. Pure handloom in modal silk. Absolutely stunning, intricate master weave. Rich weaves. And see the border. It's beautifully, you know, this kind of Meena border woven. And the color that has been used, emerald, orange, jade, rani, so many colors has been used. This is the beauty of this saris. 16,900 rupees. Just see the corner paisley also. 16,900 rupees, product number 13. Yes, you can wear these in summer, but I'm sure you have so many saris to wear in summer. You can just opt for these now, and then in the peak summer you can try our other products also, but these are lovely ones. They're so soft and so easy to wear. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Kani jal weave in magenta mustard, all over jal weave, 16,900 rupees. These are pure silk, so these can be worn throughout the year. The pashminas are limited, you know, you can't wear it in peak summer, but these and chanderis you can wear throughout the year. Very soft. Just see the weave, all over bold floral weave, Kani weave. The border I'll show you once again in mustard, beautiful woven border. This is the pallu, 16,900 rupees. Magenta mustard, 16,900, product number 14. Sundays we remain closed, and the rest of the days we are open all days, Monday to Saturday, 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. Screenshots are must for booking. This is the blouse piece. Screenshots are important to book. Calls will be accepted only in case of emergency. Please call. WhatsApp is much better. So better to WhatsApp. Even the message threads will be there. And I will remember, you know, I can go through while deliver if you want any particular change in address or whatever. A black Kani jal. Big bold florals. Beautiful piece of art. It looks like a painting, absolutely. All over, fully woven. Very rich. Since the body is a bit bold and bright, the border is not very big. It's a 6-inch border. Beautiful weave. This is the pallu. in red weave all over, and here is the sari once again. And here is the blouse piece. All the blouse pieces are very rich, so make the blouse out of this fabric only. You have to give a lining and then make it in longer sleeves. Or you can use, the blouse even with skirts. If you wear a solid color flared skirt, these blouses will go very well with those skirts also. And of course with other saris, you can also mix and match with other saris also. Now this is a totally different concept in Kani. Like I told you, I have done a bit of fusion here. This is, see, patola ikkat kind of a weaving that I have done in Kani. The whole sari, see, these are figures, shikharga weaves in Kani, in patola kind of a weave, ikkat patola weaves. It's geometric with Aztec border, geometric Aztec border. Here is the pallu, very smart pallu, very rich and smart pallu. This is totally geometric and fully Aztec. 16,900 rupees, product number 16 in blue. Just see the weave, absolutely stunning weave and new design and very soft. This is the blouse, geometric. The blouse design is also geometric, similar to that of the border. 16,900 rupees. I'm wearing a choker. I'll just show you with jade stones, rice pearls, jade stone, 3,900 rupees. This choker will go with a lot of these because all of them mostly I've used this jade color resham in the weaves. So even the sari that I am wearing, it has the baluchori design in Kashmiri Kani. So see this sari that I am wearing, 16,900 rupees. The whole body will have a Jamewar Kani weave in Jamewar design, black with grey and meena, but I've done the border part in baluchori concept. Just see the border, figure border with Rajasthani Mughal this thing, but baluchori concept. Just see the pallu, figure pallu. 16,900 rupees, no number. You can just tell me the baluchori Kani. And the bangles that I am wearing, oxidized silver with stone setting, 1990 pair, again with screw which you can adjust, 1990 rupees pair. And the choker is 3,900 rupees. It has tassels, no earrings, and you can adjust. You can wear these with westerns also. I have more colors. I'll show you more colors also. The previous one I showed ikat in blue. This I am showing in black. See, again this has the jade color also. All over ikat patola geometric weave with Aztec border, Aztec woven border. So this is totally new design. I've always done florals, so I'm trying this something different. It will look zara hatke, so you can just give it a try. 16,900 rupees. পুরোটা হাতে বোনা হয়েছে, ভীষণ সফট, পরে আরাম পাবেন এবং এটা পুরোটা হ্যান্ডলুম হ্যান্ড ওভেন শাড়ি। এটার ব্লাউজটা দেখিয়ে দিই, এটা ব্ল্যাকের ওপর আছে, 16,900 টাকা জিওমেট্রিক ব্লাউজ, পাড়ের সাথে ম্যাচ করে ব্লাউজটা দেওয়া হয়েছে দুধে আলতা লালে, ডুয়াল টোন, তো যেন কালারটা একটু রেড রানি টাইপের কালারটা এসছে। এটার সাথে আপনারা কিন্তু এই গয়নাটা পরতে পারেন, দেখুন এটাও ভীষণ সুন্দর, এই ট্যাসেল দেওয়া যেরকম আমি পরে আছি, দেখুন এটা অপূর্ব। আমি কালোর এগেনস্টে দেখাই, তাহলে আপনি উইভটা বুঝতে পারবেন এত ভালো এই এটা করা হয়েছে। মানে গলার ডিজাইনের কনসেপ্টটা দেখুন, পুরো এটা ছোট্ট ছোট্ট রাইস পার্লের সাথে একদম চোকার উইথ এমারাল্ড। ভীষণ 3990 রুপিস গলারটা। এটা দুটো, এটার সাথে কিন্তু আপনাদের আছে, ইয়াররিংসও আছে, সেট আছে এটা পুরোটা। ভীষণ সুন্দর পুরো সেটটা পেয়ে যাবেন। এটার প্রাইস আমি আবার বলে দিই 3990 রুপিস। আর আমি যে ব্লাউজটা শাড়িটা পরে আছি তার ব্লাউজটা কিন্তু এরকম আসবে, পুরোটা এরকমই কানি ওভেন ব্লাউজ পিস, রেডের ওপর দুধে আলতার কালারে পেয়ে যাবেন রেডের ওপর। প্লাস এটা 16,900 রুপিস ব্ল্যাক ইক্কাত কানি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 18, একদম নতুন কালার, স্লেট কালার। এটার উইভটা দেখুন, অপূর্ব উইভিংটা হয়েছে, মানে একদম জিওমেট্রিকের ওপর। এটাও অ্যাজটেক টাইপের জিওমেট্রিক শিখারগা ডিজাইন, ফিগার মোটিভস আছে এর মধ্যে, ছোট ছোট হাতি আর পিকক এরকম নানা রকমের বার্ডসের উইভিংটা আছে। স্লেট কালারের ওপর মাল্টি কালার, খুব রিচ কম্বিনেশন, অথচ ডাস্টি টোন। একটা ডাস্টি টোন গ্রেকে যে কোনো কালার দিয়ে এত সুন্দর ব্রাইট করা যায় আর এত রিচ লাগে, যে কোনো দিনে রাত্রে পরা যায়। 16,900 রুপিস, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 18, 16,900। অপূর্ব কালার কম্বিনেশন দেখুন, আমি এই দেখাচ্ছি, পুরো এত সফট, মানে যেন মানে হালকা, মানে পাতলা ফাইন পশমিনার যে শালগুলো হয় না, পরে এত আরাম, নরম একদম। এ দেখুন শাড়িটা ফলটা, এটার সাথে ব্লাউজটা অপূর্ব। ব্লাউজ পিসটা দেখুন, 16,900 ইন পিওর মোডাল সিল্ক হ্যান্ড ওভেন কানি। আর এটার সাথেও কিন্তু আপনারা এরকম একটা হার পরতে পারেন। 3,900 রুপিস। দেখুন এটা কি সুন্দর, এটার ওটারই একটা কালার। 3,900 রুপিস। এটার সাথেও কিন্তু আপনারা এরকম ঝুমকো পেয়ে যাচ্ছেন। 3,900। শাড়িটা 16,900। এবং প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 19, ওটারই যেটা আমি স্লেট দেখিয়েছিলাম ওটারই ব্ল্যাক। সুতরাং কানি কিন্তু খুব বেশি কালারে আমি করি না। আমি ওই 7,900 গুলো তাও কিছু কিছু অনেক কালার পাবেন, প্রত্যেকটা কালারই আনকমন। কিন্তু এই ফ্যান্সি কানিগুলো ব্ল্যাক, মানে প্রত্যেকটা আনকমন ব্লু, আনকমন মাস্টার্ড, আনকমন ম্যাজেন্টা, আনকমন স্লেট, মানে ম্যাজেন্টারই অনেক শেড হয়, তো তারই সবচেয়ে অন্যতম যে শেডটা তার মধ্যেই বুনুই করা হয়। কারণ এইগুলোর যেটাতে সবচেয়ে ভালো মাল্টি কালারগুলো ফোটে, ওই কালারটাই করে নেওয়া ভালো, ইনস্টেড অফ এক্সপেরিমেন্টিং মাছ। দেখুন আঁচলটা কত সুন্দর কালার, এতগুলি কালার দেওয়া হচ্ছে, অথচ কত মানে একদম জ্যাবরা লাগছে না, এত পরিষ্কার আনকমন লাগছে। 16,900, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 19। পুরোটা একদম এরকম উইভিং আসবে, পটোলা ইক্কাত উইথ এগেন অ্যাজটেক বর্ডার। এটার বর্ডারটাও দেখুন ভীষণ স্লিক নিট বর্ডার, জিওমেট্রিক বর্ডার। আর এটার সাথেও কিন্তু ব্লাউজটা এরকম মিনা বুটিতে আসবে মাল্টি কালারের। এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা পুরোটা মিনা বুটি, একটা বর্ডার তো থাকছেই, যেটা আপনারা কলার বর্ডারে ইউজ করতে পারেন। ফ্রন্ট ওপেন যদি করেন ফ্রন্টে দিয়ে দিতে পারেন একটা এই হিসাবে, খুব সুন্দর লাগবে। এবং এই টাইপের প্রোডাক্ট আমি আগের এপিসোডে অনেকগুলো দেখিয়েছিলাম, এখন আর সেগুলো খুব একটা বেশি নেই। তো এটা একটা পিসে আমি জাস্ট একটা নমুনা দেখাই যে আমাদের ফ্লোরালও হয়। এটা একটা ব্লু এর ওপর, পুরোটা জাল উইভ, ট্রেডিশনাল কানি উইভিং করা, ট্রেডিশনাল ডিজাইন। এবং এটার মধ্যেও কিন্তু একটা পেজলি দুধে আলতা বর্ডারের সাথে পুরোটা বুনেই পাচ্ছেন। এটা আসছে আঁচলটা। আবার বলে দিই আমাদের অ্যাড্রেসটা 12 জামিল লেন, বালিগঞ্জ, কলকাতা 19। আর আরেকটা হচ্ছে 2C কর্নফিল্ড রোড, বালিগঞ্জ, কলকাতা 19, নিয়ার সিটিজেন পার্ক। সামনেই কার পার্ক আছে। আর আবার বলি, কলকাতার বন্ধুরা ক্যাশ অন ডেলিভারি পসিবল উইথ এক্সট্রা চার্জ, আর বাকিরা কোরিয়ার হয়ে যাবে। টিল ইউ রিসিভ দ্য প্রোডাক্ট, দ্য রেসপন্সিবিলিটি ইজ আওয়ার্স and you are paying in a business account, so don't worry, your money is safe. This is the blouse piece, 16,900 rupees, my last product of this episode. Keep watching, liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you so much. This is Lalia Dattagupta from Sanskriti.